Hey stupid scientists! Ever wondered if you can actually hear your own heartbeat? Let's listen to the science behind this thumping question. Your heart is a mighty muscle, pumping blood throughout your body. And with each pump, it makes a sound, a lub-dub. But can you hear it? Well, the sound travels through your body tissues and reaches your inner ear. Here's the tricky part. Your inner ear also picks up other sounds from inside your body, like blood whooshing through vessels. These internal sounds are normally too faint to hear consciously. However, in quiet situations, or sometimes when lying down, you might become more aware of these subtle sounds, including your heartbeat. So, technically, yes, you might be able to hear your heartbeat. But it's usually faint and requires specific command. But hey, if you think you hear it, don't worry. It's just your amazing body doing its job. We don't just answer stupid questions, we make them scientific.